in this section of the course. In this lecture now, you're going to learn what copywriting is and really why it's so important for your business. Let's start off with what is copywriting? How do we answer this question? Well, really copywriting is using written words to persuade people to take the action that you want them to. For example, make a purchase, submit an email, request a demo. But how do you actually do that? It really comes down to presenting an argument strong enough to convince the visitor that what you're going to provide them, like a product, an email newsletter, a free quote, is worth more than what they are really giving you, whether that be $9.99, their email address, or a phone number. So that is really the process. Essentially, it's sales in the written form, and it's really just persuading people to take an action in return for you giving them something. So why is copywriting so important? Well, the main benefit of copywriting is that it really helps increase sales. Consider this. If you want to increase your sales, you have two real options. One is to double your traffic. So if you want to double your sales, you can double your price, but you'll probably get no one buying. You can double your traffic, but traffic is not always easy to generate. It doesn't come on demand, and it can also be a costly choice if you're paying for that traffic. Now, what you can do instead is double your conversion rate with better copy. By writing better words, more persuasive words, you can convince more people to take that action and to really buy your product. Now, that's a lot easier to do, to adjust a couple of words, than to actually double your traffic. And even if you can move your conversion rate, which is the percentage of people that completes that action, from 1% to 2%, you're really going to see an impact from copywriting. And that's really how powerful good sales copy can be. It can be